Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2014 Triumph Street Triple 675. I'm going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this Triumph. It is HPI clear. It's only one former keeper, and it does come with a spare key in the pack. So what we'll do, we'll start at the front and we'll work all the way around the bike. It is in white and blue, this one. You can see it's got the R&G frame protection bungs on there. It has some carbon fibre protectors put on the corner of the tank as well. Good look at the side of the tank, side of the seat and the plastics. Let's get a look at the chain and sprocket in the back wheel. Doesn't look like it's had a new chain and sprocket on. Yep, that's a new chain and sprocket on there. Get a look over the top of the seat and over the top of the tank. Let's move over, get a look at it from the back. I'll move around to the right hand side. Let's get a look in at the rear pads. And they look new on there. Let's get a look at the plastics at the side, on this side and the side of the tank. Carbon fibre protector on the side there as well. Just move the bars around so we can see all of the tank there. Good look at the engine on this side. So it's got the Evotech tail tidy on there. And Yoshimura exhaust. And we'll finish up at the front wheel from this right hand side. And we'll go and take a look up at the dash and the controls, and we'll get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's have a look up at the controls. So you've got your front brake, your throttle, kill switch and your starter on that side. And over on the other side, we've got the clutch, we've got the lights, indicators, horn. So let's pump the ignition on, let's have a look at the mileage. It's done 10,745 miles. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in a close-up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you.
Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.